Today is the 26th of January 2026, and in this video, I'll be explaining what a real-time chat application with WebSockets in Node.js is and why it's important. Real-time chat applications with WebSockets in Node.js. Introduction. In the modern digital landscape, real-time communication has become an essential feature of web applications, from instant messaging platforms like Slack and Discord to collaborative tools like Google Docs. The ability to exchange information instantaneously has transformed how we interact online. At the heart of many of these applications lies WebSocket technology, a protocol that enables bidirectional, persistent connections between clients and servers. When combined with Node.js, a powerful JavaScript runtime environment, WebSockets provide developers with an elegant and efficient solution for building real-time chat applications that can handle thousands of concurrent connections with minimal overhead. Defining WebSockets and the role in real-time communication. WebSockets represent a significant evolution from traditional HTTP communication patterns. Unlike the request-response model of HTTP, where a client must initiate every interaction with the server, WebSockets establish a persistent, fully duplexed communication channel that remains open for the duration of the connection. This means that both the client and server can send messages to each other at any time without the overhead of repeatedly establishing new connections or using workarounds like long polling or server-sent events. The WebSocket protocol begins with the HTTP handshake, during which the client requests an upgrade from HTTP to the WebSocket protocol. Once the server accepts this upgrade, the connection transforms into a WebSocket connection, allowing data to flow freely in both directions. This persistent connection operates over a single TCP socket, making it remarkably efficient for scenarios where low latency and high frequency of message exchange are critical. The importance of WebSocket-based chat applications. The significance of WebSocket technology in modern chat applications cannot be overstated. Traditional polling mechanisms where clients repeatedly request updates from the server at regular intervals waste bandwidth and server resources while introducing unnecessary latency. Even long polling, where the server holds the request open until new data becomes available, creates overhead from constantly establishing and tearing down HTTP connections. WebSockets eliminate these inefficiencies by maintaining a single, persistent connection. This translates to several concrete benefits for chat applications. First, latency is dramatically reduced because messages can be pushed from the server to clients instantly without waiting for the next polling interval. Second, server resources are used more efficiently since the overhead of HTTP headers and connection establishment is eliminated after the initial handshake. Third, the user experience is significantly enhanced as messages appear in real time without noticeable delays, creating a more natural and engaging conversation flow. Beyond technical efficiency, real-time chat capabilities have become a competitive necessity in many domains. Customer service platforms require instant communication between support agents and customers. Collaborative work environments need team members to coordinate effectively regardless of physical location. Gaming platforms depend on real-time interaction for multiplayer experiences. Educational technology platforms facilitate immediate interaction between students and instructors. In each of these contexts, the ability to exchange messages instantaneously isn't just a nice feature, but a fundamental requirement that shapes user expectations and determines whether an application succeeds or fails in the marketplace. Conclusion. WebSocket-based chat applications built with Node.js represents a powerful combination of technologies that enable real-time communication at scale. The persistent bidirectional nature of WebSocket connections eliminates the latency and inefficiency of traditional polling approaches, while Node.js events-driven architecture provides the performance needed to handle thousands of concurrent connections efficiently. Building a shared application requires careful consideration of both client and server responsibilities, from managing connection lifecycle to handling messages routing and providing resilient error recovery. While the basic concept is straightforward, production systems incorporate numerous additional features including authentication, message persistence, chat rooms, and rich content support that make the application generally useful for real-world communication needs. The importance of these technologies extend beyond chat applications themselves. The patterns and technologies used in WebSocket chat systems apply broadly to any application requiring real-time updates, including collaborative editing tools like dashboards, multiplayer games, and IoT device management platforms. As user expectations continue to evolve toward more immediate and interactive experiences, the ability to build and scale real-time applications becomes an increasingly essential skill for web developers. Understanding WebSockets and Node.js provides developers with the tools to meet these expectations and build the next generation of interactive web applications that feel responsive, alive, and truly connected.